equal to NH by 2 pi. Suppose so the electrons are allowed to revolve in that orbit in which your angular momentum is an integral multiple of h by 2 pi. That means MPR equal to h by 2 pi. This is called as the quantization of the angular momentum. Then see, when an electron absorbs energy, then what will happen? It will come to the ground state or excited state. When an electron absorbs energy, then what will happen? ଶୁଭା ଯାଉଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ?
Yes, ma'am. Higher energy state or excited state.
Yes. When the electrons absorb energy, then it goes to the higher energy state. And when it emits energy, it comes to the lower energy state. That means the energy absorbed or emitted by a particle to H. Okay. Then what is the limitation? Both to कहले जे Rutherford कहले जे तमर electron गुड़ाक काहे why the electrons don't fall in the nucleus and why they are moving according to Clark-Maxwell. Then this problem was solved by the Bohr's quantization condition. Then you tell me what is the demerit of Bohr's atomic model?
बुलछले बोली से कहले किंतु समरफील्ड कहले कि एलिप्टिकल पाथ रे बुलचंती.
Yes. Bohr has told that it is in circular path, Sommerfeld told elliptical path. सेटा गोटे आ गोटे सेकंड कोन?
Model was only successful for hydrogen atom.
Yes. Why we have spectral line only for hydrogen atom and not for others? बुझिबेला तोरा हाइड्रोजन ना स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन अछि आउ कहार कोउथि में स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन नहीं हम हाइड्रोजन में जान छै लाइन मोल बाल में पास्कल ब्रैकेट सी फॉर अलगा एक्सप्लेन करि परलेनी बोर्स एटॉमिक मॉडल. Then we came to the Sommerfeld atomic model, but it is not in the syllabus. Then we the wave particle duality. So I have already told you that in classical mechanics, either the particles behave as the wave characteristic. Electron was taken as the wave, but in case of the quantum mechanics, a particle can behave as a particle or wave. Suppose electron can behave as particle sometime and can behave as wave sometime. If it behaves as wave, then what is the wave characteristics? जदि गोटे वेव परिया इलेक्ट्रॉन जदि वेव परिया बिहेवियर कला तार को क्राइटेरिया सब रहइबो
wavelength and frequency.
It will have wavelength, frequency, wave number. Then if it will behave as a particle, then what will be the characteristics? Mass ରହିବ, then position ରହିବ, velocity ରହିବ, momentum ରହିବ. ହେଲା? So then wave behaving as a particle. Gote example is photoelectric effect. I have already told that photoelectric effect was explained by taking the particle nature of the. In this case, we have seen that if the intensity of the light is maximum, then the maximum number of electrons ejected out. Then second one is the Compton effect. In Compton effect, see here. See, in Compton effect, what happens? Suppose incident particle. Yes, incident fall on a target. Then the outgoing light must have the characteristics of incident light or not? तमें गोटे इंसिडेंट लाइट टे गोटे टार्गेट ऊपर पकेला तो जो आउटगोइंग लाइट बाहरिला तार वेवलेंथ का इंसिडेंट वेवलेंथ सहित समान हबो ना अधिक हबो ना कम हबो
सेम
किसी जगह लॉस लगे कम हम कि किसी जगह सेम हम बट कंटन इफेक्ट किसी जगह अधिक है तो अधिकटा कौन है सेटा तुम पार्टिकल नेचर को लेकिन एक्सप्लेन कराला तुम डिटेल्स कहूनी जेहेतु ना बोली देन पार्टिकल बिहेविंग एज ए वेव है तुम पढ़ीच डिफ्रैक्शन पढ़ीच
यस मैम
डिफ्रैक्शन पढ़ीच डिफ्रैक्शन कौन कहलो
बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट है
ठीक है बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट तापरे
डेंसर मीडियम टू रेयर मीडियम
ठीक कहूँ बेंडिंग ऑफ लाइट
while reflection and reflection.
bending of light in front of a slit resulting in the sneaking of the light in different geometrical area but तमने देखिबा एडजस्ट गोटे छोट होल हेतिबो केबे देखिछो
यस मैम
एडजस्ट गोटे छोट कणा हेतिबो सनलाइट तमरे घरर गोटे विराट आकार रे स्प्रेड होई पडुथबो ना का समस्त छात घर का एडजस्ट घर नहीं का देखिए
यस मैम
हेलो सुनाओनी गोटे छोट होल कौन है गोटे छोट होल लाइट आसो कि चारिड़े स्प्रेड होगी देखा माने लाइट टा से बेल्ट कला जहाँ फल गोटे लार्जर एरिया रे से स्प्रेड होगी पड़ा that concept is called diffraction and that is the particle that is the wave nature of the particle. Then we come to the de Broglie wavelength. So de Broglie wavelength already मैं कही de Broglie wavelength कौन कहला what is de Broglie wavelength de Broglie hypothesis combine both the particle nature and wave nature. Okay, it is telling that the wavelength associated with a particle moving with velocity is given by lambda equal to h by mv. है आउथरे कोची de Broglie तमे जानि ले in sometimes the material behaves like a particle or sometimes the material behaves like a wave. Okay, and de Broglie says that when a microscopic body is in motion, the wavelength associated with the body is equal to lambda equal to h by mv. तमर lambda टा कौन wavelength wave characteristics को दिखेला आउ momentum होची mv momentum टा को characteristic को explain कला
पार्टिकल
momentum को characteristic particle that means the wave
no in de Broglie
particle
we cannot measure simultaneously in de Broglie wavelength
that is that is you are telling so lambda equal to h by mv. So you tell me whether it is applicable to macroscopic or microscopic.
microscopic
Yes, it is applicable to microscopic particle. What is wave function? Wave function କହିପାରିବ?
ୱେଭ୍ ର ଇକ୍ୱେସନ୍ ୱେଭ୍ କୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ। କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ଡେରିଭେଟିଭ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍।
ତମର ଡିଟେଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବ? ସପୋଜ ମୁଁ ତମର ଡିଟେଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି, ତ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବି? I have to search, suppose ତମେ ଯଦି ମନେକର ଇଗ୍ନୋରେ ପଢୁଛ, ମୁଁ ଇଗ୍ନୋ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ରେ ତମର ଏନରୋଲମେଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ମାରିଲି, ସେଇଠି ତମର ଡିଟେଲ ଆଡ୍ରେସ ଜାଣିଲି, ତମର କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ ଜାଣିଲି, ତମର କେତେ ମାର୍କ ରଖିଥିଲ ଜାଣିଲି। ସେମିତି ୱେଭ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଟା କ'ଣ? ୱେଭ୍ ଫଙ୍କସନ gives complete details idea about a wave. That means it gives complete address of the wave. Okay, wave function is a parameter which gives all the information about a wave. All the information माने कौन? Wave रे information माने कौन? तार position कौन? तार time period कौन? तार wavelength कौन? ए सब दबो, हैला? And it is defined by psi. Wave function ना symbol जानचे तो?
Yes, ma'am. Psi.
Psi. Trisola psi, and it is and it is a function of space and time coordinates. Space means position coordinate x, y, z and t. Then the importance of psi, এটা আসুনি ঠিক সে কোন? It completely defines the system, and if psi is
Then
known,
writing can
we can determine any observable property. ମୁଁ जोटा कहली कि जदि आमे जानिथिबा तार सब जानि परिबा, यदि psi जानिथिबा त आमे तार एनर्जी जानि परिबा, फ्रीक्वेंसी जानि परिबा। ओके,
पुन लिखि पारिबे मैडम?
कौन कहला?
पारिबे लिखि पारिबे तो?
कौन लिखि परिबा तो माने?
पारिबे ना
बुझी
किछि
पल्लेनी? हाँ,
पीडीएफ ऊपर किछि लिखि पारिबे ना मैडम?
बुझी पल्लेनी, तमे कौन पचारुଛ?
सिंबल जो साइरो सिंबल टा आपण गाइड कर पारिबे लिखिया पय, लिखि कि कहि पारिबे?
और तमे साइड
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
सिंबल
ମାନେ
जानी ना?
ରାଇଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
और साइर, हाँ हाँ हाँ, ठीक अच्छे, बैक करे लिखिबे आ। कितने स्टूडेंट एबे अच्छा?
4 madam.
4 स्टूडेंट अच्छा तम माने? हाँ, तो रिकॉर्डिंग किए करूचंती क्लासरूम? देखो जी
मैडम
साइर सिंबल,
ये भी जॉइन कर।
तमे जो पचारे लिखि परिबे माने मु भाबिली कि कोन तमे एग्जाम रे लिखि परिबो ना कोन पचारछु सेटा? तमे तो स्टडी मटेरियल सेटू खोजिले मिलुची ना? मु सेटा टिके टिके कहूची तम मानको आजी। आ 4टा क्लास रे तो कोर्स सिलेबस को सारी हेबो? हैं? It's a counseling class, so if you have doubt then we can solve. तमे जे पढ़ी ना मु टिके से superficially coach.
ସେମିତି ହିଁ ହବ।
ସୋ ମୁଁ ସାଇର ସିମ୍ବଲ ଟା ଦେଖଉଛି, ମତେ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଥିଲେ ଦେଖିବା ପାଇଁ। ଦେଖିଲ? This is the symbol of psi. Okay. Then କଣ କହିଲ?
Can highlight the PDF or you can write on the PDF.
ଭଏସ ତମର ଅଡିବଲ ହଉନି, କଣ କହୁଛ? କଣ କହୁଛ? ଆଉଥରେ କହିଲ।
Ma'am, he is saying that could you please write in the screen that sign?
Is it necessary to write in the way we can know? I have shown you, and then I have to write a what? तो गूगल मीट रे मुझे जाइए लिखी पुणी आउथरे स्क्रीन शेयर बंद करिकी नहीं जानी परिबो कि पचाउचंदी क्वेश्चन ना कहार डाउट अच्छी शिवराम whose doubt is that? तम डाउट अच्छी कहा डाउट कहला माने कहार डाउट नाटा पचाउची बा
पर मैडम
ओके मु लिखि दउची देखा हला देखि परछ ना नहीं I am writing, can you able to see?
yes
Okay, so this is the symbol of psi. Okay, so now we come to the discussion. Am I audible or not? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible.
ताले प्रियदर्शनी मु
Yes,
तुमको
ma'am,
डाकिथि
audible.
तमे कोडे इतला तमे कोडे इतला मु तुमको डाकिथिली वेरी प्रियदर्शनी तमे किछ कहलेनी
Ma'am, मते सुबह
तमे
जाऊ
कोठी
नथिला.
अछ तमे कोठी अछ
Ma'am, I am in IIT Bhubaneswar now.
आईटी भुवनेश्वर कोन करछ
My husband is working here. Yes, ma'am. My husband is working
Okay.
here, ma'am.
Okay, so that means now you are in Bhubaneswar. Okay, Bhubaneswar in your home near IIT in your particular room. That means if I want to find your position, can I find or not?
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे
You can.
that means in classical mechanics I can find the position of the particle. That means it is realistic. But in quantum mechanics, I cannot find the position of the particle accurately. That's why there is no realistic concept. Quantum mechanics is all about probability. Suppose I can say that the electron may be here or may not be here. That means everything is calculated in the probabilistic manner. The probability of the finding the particle, what is the maximum value of probability of the finding the particle? What is the maximum value of finding the probability of the particle?
No triple, ma'am.
1. Maximum probability of the finding of the particle is 1 and the minimum value is 0. That means in quantum mechanics everything is calculated in the probabilistic manner. That means the probability of the finding the particle may be 1 or may be 0. Okay. That means quantum mechanics is realistic, whether the realistic and the quantum mechanics is probabilistic. Then what is normalization? If the probability of the finding the particle is 1 over the space, that means from minus infinity to plus infinity, then it is called normalization. And the wave function is called orthogonal if the probability of the finding the particle is 0. Okay, this is called the orthogonality and normalization constant. Then come to Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Someone is telling now Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Someone ଭିତରୁ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଥିଲା ନା ମୁଁ briefly ପଢେଇଲା ବେଳେ କହୁଥିଲା the probability of the finding the particle.
Yes, ma'am. I clear this.
କଣ କହୁଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ?
We cannot measure simultaneously the position of atom. So what is particle?
Position or uncertainty in the momentum of the particle. You are standing in a place, suppose at the 9 hours 3 minutes 13 seconds. Okay, the time is suppose 9 hours 3 minutes 13 seconds. In the right side, where you are standing, in the right side a bomb exploded and in the left side another bomb exploded in the same time. Then तमे दीटा को कोन एका सहित देखि परिबो?
No, ma'am.
9 मिनिट 9 घंटा 3 मिनिट 13 सेकेंड गोटे यदि देखिबो आ गोटे कोटा देखिबो 9 घंटा 3 मिनिट 14 सेकेंड. ता माने तमे दीटा को जिंस को simultaneously means at the same time. Similarly, the uncertainty in the position, if you calculate the uncertainty in the position of the electron accurately, then you cannot calculate the momentum. Similarly, if you calculate the momentum, then you cannot calculate the position. Either you have to calculate one. And this was given by Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. That means delta x into delta p is equal to h by 4 pi or h cross by 2.
Del P into del.
Then wave mechanics. What is operators? So operators माने कौन कहला? Kinetic energy किछि +3 रे I h cross by I h cross d by dt एटा होची टोटल एनर्जी ऑपरेटर. काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑपरेटर होची माइनस h cross स्क्वायर by 2m del square. मोमेंटम होची माइनस I h cross by माइनस I h cross del. खाली इंपोर्टेंट इंस्टोडा होची. अच्छा स्क्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन कौन कह जानछ व्हाट इज स्क्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय
Yes, ma'am. One day.
okay in classical mechanics what is the fundamental equation kahila Newton's equation is the fundamental equation. Similarly, in quantum mechanics, Schrodinger equation is the most fundamental equation, and it is given by h psi equal to e psi. H psi equal to e psi. H is capital H, Hamiltonian, and Hamiltonian is the sum of the kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to E psi. E means total energy, and psi is what? Eigen function. ତମାନଙ୍କର କିଛି ମନେ ନାହିଁ ନା ମନେ ଅଛି ନା ନାହିଁ okay then come to particle in a box so particle in a one dimensional box ତମର ତ ଏଟା କାଉନ୍ସେଲିଂ ମାନେ ତ ତମର ଚାରିଟା କ୍ଲାସ୍ ରେ ତ ସିଲାବସ୍ ସରିବନି ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଓଭରଅଲି ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ କହିଦଉଛି so particle in a box means ଏଟା ଦେଖୁଛ what is the length of the box କି କହିପାରିବ
L.
L so what is the potential inside the box
0.
Zero, ma'am.
inside the box kete zero inside the box the potential is 0 and outside the box the potential is v then
Infinity.
what is the equation yes and the equation is psi equal to a sin kx plus b cos kx okay and if you do the what is the energy quantization of energy this will be the expression see E equal to sorry this is E by h square sorry 1 minute so energy equal to quantization of energy equal to h square by 8 ml square okay nh square by 8 ml square n is the quantum number of energy level jota tamara ଏଟା ପଢେଇଲେ ବୁଝି ପାରିବନି ତମ ମାନେ ହଁ ଆଜି ଯାହା ପଢେଇଲି କିଛି ଡାଉଟ ରହିଲା
madam Schrodinger equation
ସ୍କ୍ରୋଡିଞ୍ଜର ଇକ୍ୱେସନ ଟା କହିଦେବି ତ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ମୁଁ ତାର ଡେରିଭେସନ ଟା ତମକୁ ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି କରିକି ହେଲା ବୁଝିପାରିଲ So you tell me, what is the expression for the total energy? It is a sum of what?
Kinetic energy plus potential energy.
Is it visible?
Visible.
No, ma'am, not
Visible
clear.
होची ना नहीं? अभी visible होची?
Now visible.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible.
So E equal to P square by 2m plus B. If I operate psi on both sides, then what will I get? E psi equal to P square by 2m plus B psi. Yes or no? And I already told that the total energy operator is I across dy dt and the momentum operator is minus I h cross del. So in place of I E, what I will write? I will write I h cross d psi by dt, and in place of momentum, what is the expression for momentum I have written? Minus I h cross del. So it will be minus I h cross del whole square by 2m plus b psi. So this will be I h cross d psi by dt. एटा खोलले केते हबो? I रो स्क्वायर केते? I रो स्क्वायर केते? -1. This will be minus h cross square del square by 2m plus b psi. So I h cross d by dt psi equal to minus h cross square by 2m del square plus b psi. ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ତମର କ'ଣ ଟୋଟାଲ ଏନର୍ଜି E psi, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି କାଇନେଟିକ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି, ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ପୋଟେନସିଆଲ ଏନର୍ଜି ଯୋଉଟା କି ହଉଛି ହାମିଲ୍ଟୋନିଆନ୍. So this is the expression for this Schrodinger wave equation. E psi equal to h psi. ବୁଝିପାରିଲ?
ଦେଖାଗଲା
କ'ଣ କହିଲ? ବୁଝିଲ ନା ବୁଝିହେଲାନି?
ମ୍ୟାଡାମ.
Yes or no? तो तमर एठी काइनेटिक एच टा होची हैमिल्टोनियन हैला. हैमिल्टोनियन ए हैमिल्टोनियन होची समेशन ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. सो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होची काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑपरेटर होची माइनस h क्रॉस स्क्वायर बाय 2m del square. This is the operator for kinetic energy.
Ma'am, I have a question. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
हाँ
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, Schrodinger, yes, ma'am. Schrodinger जो O ऊपर दीटे डॉट थाउची, जो दीटे डॉट थाउची सेटे डबल डेरिवेटिव ପାଇଁ थाउची ना ଆଉ କିଛି କିଛି ତାର
स्क्रोडिंगर
Schrodinger लिखला बेले जो O ऊपर दीटे डॉट थाउची डबल डेरिवेटिव ପାଇଁ थाउची ना ଆଉ କିଛି ତା ପାଇଁ ଅଛି?
ना सेटा तांकर स्क्रोडिंगर जो क्वांटिटी साइंटिस्ट सेति लागि रहउची.
अच्छा हाँ हाँ ये हाँ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ବୁଝିପାରିନଥିଲି ମାନେ ଭାବୁଥିଲି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି. ଓକେ
ना
ମ୍ୟାମ୍
ना तांकर ग्राम इंग्लिश
ओके.
आउची स्क्रीन देखा
मते तो
इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल.
मते देखा जाउनी मैम बाकी मन को देखा जाउची.
No, ma'am.
Is it visible?
Not visible.
Screen visible होगी?
No, no.
No, ma'am.
Sorry, it was disconnected due to the network problem. Okay. So any doubt you ask?
Ma'am, atomic and molecular physics all are related to this quantum mechanics. No? Atomic and molecular physics all are related to this quantum mechanics. Yes. Hmm? Hello, ma'am.
It's all about quantum mechanics.
Ma'am, sometimes my Wi-Fi is not working. That's why I am also not listening.
Online
Just
classes empty
happened.
problem system.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any doubt, then you ask, because you must have prepared for your exam, na? So if you have any doubt, then you.
Ma'am, could you please explain the parity operator?
Yes. So operator. So can you see my copy?
Yes, ma'am, but not clearly.
ଏବେ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛ? ମୁଁ କିଛି ଲେଖିନି, ଲେଖିବି।
ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ma'am, but clear visible ହଉନି.
ଏବେ visible ହେଲା?
Yes, ma'am.
ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି total energy, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି momentum, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି kinetic energy। ହେଲା। total energy operator ହଉଛି IH cross d by dt। ହେଲା।
Yes,
IH
ma'am.
cross d by dt। momentum operator ହଉଛି minus IH cross del। del ମାନେ କଣ ଜାଣିଛ? del by del x। one dimension, two dimension plus del by del y plus del by del x। then kinetic energy operator होची minus h cross square by 2m del square। del square माने कौन? यदि लाप्लास करेक्शन del square by del x square लाप्लास टर्म। if it is in x y z axis, then del square equal to del square by del x square plus del square by del y square plus del square by del z square। if it is only in one axis, in one, then it will be minus h cross square by 2m del square by del x square। यदि तमर x direction है इतिबो सेटा आसीबो del square by del x square। ये तीनटा डायरेक्शन है इतिबो ता माने तीनटा कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम रे x y z रे, then it will be del square by del x square plus del square by del y square then plus del square by del z square। बुझियला?
Yes, ma'am.
आ कोन
Ma'am, ମୁଁ ପଚାରୁଥିଲି operator, parity operator or
ଏଇଠି ଅପରେଟର
oper
ସर କାଇନେଟିକ୍ ଏନର୍ଜି These are the operators.
And commutator means
Commutator সেটা তো তোমার mathematics এ ছিল।
mathematical algebra. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Sibaram? ଆଉ କିଛି doubt ଅଛି? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି psi wavelength ର expression କଣ କହିଲ psi. This is the expression of a e I to the power kx minus omega t. This is the expression for the wave function. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a? A is the amplitude. ଆଉ ଏ ଯୋଉଟା ରହିଲା ଏଟା ହଉଛି phase. ଏ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉ ଏହା ରହିଲାନି kx minus omega t ସେଟା ହଉଛି phase vector. ଗୋଟେ wave ର amplitude ଥିବ ଆଉ phase ଥିବ. ତମର ଏଟା ହଉଛି amplitude. ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ରହିଲା I kx minus omega t ଏଟା ହଉଛି phase. ତ k ର କଣ k ମାନେ କଣ wave vector. K is wave vector and its value is 2 pi by lambda. Okay, so what is lambda? Lambda is the wavelength. And what is omega? Omega कौन? Angular frequency equal to 2 pi by t. Wave function कौन कहला? Psi. जो wave function है कहाँ function बोली? Psi is a function of what?
energy and potential.
Space and time coordinate. Okay, psi is a function of space and time coordinate. तो x y z टा कौन हैला? को कोऑर्डिनेट हैला? ईटा को कोऑर्डिनेट हैला? टाइम कोऑर्डिनेट. तो एइथरे देखिले रहिला ना नै स्पेस कोऑर्डिनेट टाइम कोऑर्डिनेट. x रहिला टाइम t भी रहिला ना नै? रहिला दिटा को? ओके. देन आउ कोन डाउट अछि पचारो? देखो 5 मिनिट टाइम अछि देखो जा डाउट अछि पचारो हैला.
Ma'am, time independence potential time dependent भी ଅଛି.
हाँ टाइम डिपेंडेंट अछि टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट अछि. मुझे लिखिली नि तमर si इक्वल टू e psi. मु गोटे तमर एबे डेरिवेशन करली si इक्वल टू e psi सेरा होची टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट. आ जदी मु लिखितांती I h cross d psi by dt जोडा लिखिथिली सेरा होची टाइम डिपेंडेंट. जदी टाइम रहि रहला सेरा होची टाइम डिपेंडेंट. जदी टाइम न रहला सेरा होची टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट. जो si इक्वल टू e psi सेरा होची टाइम इंडिपेंडेंट. आ जदी लिखी I h cross d psi by dt इक्वल टू minus h plus k by 2m. ଆଉ କଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ପଚାର? ଶିବବ୍ରତ ଆଉ କଣ ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ପଚାର? ଆଉ କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ?
No, ma'am. For today, no. For today, no doubt is it.
Okay.
We will prepare
Doubt
for
ନାହିଁ?
next class. If we have doubts, then we will ask tomorrow.
Okay. Next class I will discuss about the second and third. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ ଏ ମେଟେରିଆଲଟା ସେୟାର କରିବେ କି?
କୋଉଟା କହିଲ? ଏ ଯେ PPT ଟା?
ସାର୍
ହଉ ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ
Ma'am,
ତମକୁ ସେ ତ PPT ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟା ମୁଁ ଯଦି ହବ ସେୟାର କରିଦେବି ଆଉ। ହେଲା। ମୁଁ ତ
ma'am,
କ୍ଲାସ୍
atomic
କରିବିନି କ୍ଲାସ୍
molecular
ନୋଟ୍ସ କହୁଛୁ ଆଟମିକ୍ ମଲିକୁଲାର?
ତାର ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ 1 ଟା ତାର ଡାଉନଲୋଡ ହଉନି ମ୍ୟାମ୍, ମାନେ ବ୍ଲକ୍ 1 ଟା, ବାକି
ହଉନି
2
ତମ
ଆଉ 3 ହେଇଗଲା।
ତମର ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିବ ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି।
maybe I think, but 2 ଆଉ 3 ହେଇଗଲା ମ୍ୟାମ୍, 1 ଟା ହେଲାନି ତ ଟ୍ରାଇ କରିବି, ଦେଖିବି କାଲି।
ହଁ ଦେଖିବା ଯଦି 1 ଟା 2 ଆଉ 3 ଟା ହେଇଯାଉଛି ବି 1 ଟା ହେଇଯିବ ନା।
ଅଲର୍ଟ
ବହିରେ
କରି
ସେତେ ବୁଝା ପଡୁନି।
କଣ କହିଲ?
ବହିରେ ସେତେ ବୁଝା ପଡୁନି, ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାସ ନୋଟ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ।
ଓହୋ
ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ଶିବରାମ କହୁଛନ୍ତି PPT ରେ ଟିକେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ।
ହଁ ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ତମକୁ ସବୁ ସେୟାର କରିଦେବି। ହେଲା
Another ma'am is there, ଆଉ ଜଣେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍ ସେ ସେୟାର କରିଥିଲେ ମେଲ୍ ଆଇଡିରେ।
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ସେୟାର କରିଦେବି ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଦିନ ହେଲା।
ଓକେ ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ବୁଝିଲ?
ଓକେ
ମୁଁ 4 ଦିନ କ୍ଲାସ ନେବି 21 ତାରିଖ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ। 17, 18, 19, 21 ସେଇଦିନ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ଆଉ।
Okay ma'am,
ଓକେ
thank you for this nice session. Good night
ଓକେ
ma'am.
ହଁ।
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ।